What's up guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Care Bears Appisode. So before we start, you're going to need to do two things. First thing you're going to do is that you're going to install the Care Bears Appisode from the link in the comments below. And the second thing you're going to do is that you're going to download an app called Zarchiver from the Play Store. So after you've done both, you're going to open Zarchiver, head over to download, you're going to click once on the Care Bears Appisode, then you're going to click on install, and you're going to click on install again. Alright, so after that's done, now we're going to open the Care Bears Appisode app. Click on continue. So as you can see, we've successfully installed the Care Bears Appisode. So thanks so much guys for watching, and have a nice day.
Care Bears